Hey, here's a quick video to show you what you need to clean when you do clean your mirrors and optical path. So just a little quick tip. You're going to be taking off this glass and you just seem to be doing it all the time. So what I did is these two over here, I leave them unscrewed just a little bit so that I can slide it out, so every time I don't have to take this off just to get to those two screws. So I'll just unscrew those two and then slide it out and take this glass off. So what you need to clean is that mirror right there, and you can see the reflection of the two little small mirrors over there. So first thing, this one, just like a microfiber cloth or a glass rag. And then the second tool I use for those mirrors is one of these swabs. They are camera cleaning swabs. So what I would do is, you can look over here, I use the reflection over there to then just wipe the surface and wipe the surface. You can see I can twist it a little bit, but just be careful. So this is enough to take any sort of dust off of there. You can spray some cleaning liquid on your swab that'll clean the rest. And then what I found, sometimes there is some dust getting into the actual laser housing. So with that, I just use a standard Q-tip that I would spray. And then you would just kind of find a little hole it goes into, and you just kind of clean that guy out. You can never really see anything on the Q-tip, but I have found that sometimes when I have issues, just cleaning in there, it probably has a little glass front that gets a little dust on that, and that fixes it. So yeah, now that's clean. Now I can just slide my glass back in, and voila, all done.